Earthquakes, nature's sudden and violent reminder of our planet's inner workings, have the power to shake us to our core, both figuratively and literally. They can change landscapes in moments, topple buildings, and shatter lives with their devastating impact. In the heart of Japan, in Ishikawa Prefecture, the Earth's fury was recently unleashed. A powerful quake of magnitude 7.5 rocked the region, leaving in its wake a trail of destruction and despair. The Noto Peninsula bore the brunt of this natural disaster, with buildings damaged, homes flattened, and fishing vessels swallowed by the sea. The earthquake's tremors were so potent that they triggered tsunami waves, adding to the chaos and destruction. A major fire broke out, landslides cascaded down hillsides, and roads were torn asunder. The impact was immediate and far-reaching, a stark reminder of the awesome, often terrifying power of our planet. As of this moment, the death toll stands at 48, but with rescue efforts ongoing and many areas still inaccessible, that number is expected to rise. Amidst the rubble and the ruins, the search for survivors continues. Every second counts in the race against time to find those still trapped under collapsed buildings and debris. Japan's Prime Minister, Fumio Kishida, stressed the urgency of these rescue operations. The focus is on finding and saving as many lives as possible, as quickly as possible. In the face of such devastation, the spirit of unity and resilience shines through. The repercussions of this earthquake will be felt for years to come. Rebuilding the affected areas will be a monumental task. But even as the Earth still trembles with aftershocks, the recovery process has begun. Emergency services, aid organizations, and countless volunteers are working tirelessly, helping those affected and beginning the long journey towards healing and rebuilding. In conclusion, the earthquake in Ishikawa Prefecture serves as a stark reminder of our vulnerability in the face of nature's wrath. Yet, even in the darkest hours, the strength and resilience of the human spirit remain unbroken. As Japan continues to recover and rebuild, the world watches, offering support and solidarity. In the face of adversity, we are reminded of our shared humanity, our capacity for compassion, and our ability to rise from the ruins, stronger and more determined than ever.